Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. There's a lot we want to cover today, so I think we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm Rachel. I work on the marketing team here at ButterflyMX, and with me today we have Frank Freehill, who is on the partners team. And just a little bit about what we're going to be discussing today. We're going to give you an overview of our next generation video intercom. We'll be discussing the installation, configuration, and support, and answer a few frequently asked questions. Great. So it does look like there's a few people here who have attended some of our previous events, but just in case you're new or aren't familiar with ButterflyMX, I'll do a quick intro. ButterflyMX is a complete access control solution, typically installed in multi-tenant buildings. In fact, we're currently installed in more than 10,000 multifamily, commercial, student housing, and gated communities across the country. And our products allow property staff and residents to manage access on the go. And we host this monthly event to dive into each individual product and its features, as well as educate you on the specifics of the products, like what problems they solve, and of course, how to install them. So today, Frank will be discussing an overview of our next generation video intercom. So take it away, Frank.
Great. Thanks, Rachel. Hi, everyone. Like she mentioned, I'm Frank from the partner team here at ButterflyMX. And really, I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to provide an overview of ButterflyMX's new video intercom systems designed to redefine property access. So with that said, let's dive in. Great. So our new video intercoms provide a sleek and contoured design that not only provide great features, but stunning curb appeal to any property. It's been built with housing constructed from cast aluminum that can withstand any weather conditions, including rain, snow, and temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. ButterflyMX offers both 8-inch and 12-inch video intercoms, which seamlessly blends into any building's architectural facade, whether that be metal, stone, or a mounting pedestal. They've also been designed to be backwards compatible, ensuring that existing ButterflyMX customers can easily upgrade their current intercom system while maintaining the existing wiring. Internally, they're engineered with the latest wireless connectivity technology, including 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It also offers RFID, allowing users to choose the property access method that best suits their needs, whether it's through the top-rated ButterflyMX mobile app, secure PIN codes, or convenient key fobs and key cards. The new video intercoms also showcase a high-resolution LED display capable of producing 1,500 nits of brightness. This easily allows visibility and use during any time of the day. The intercoms also offer noise cancellation and are equipped with a 2-megapixel high-definition camera that captures an 156-degree wide-angle field of view. This is to ensure that property staff and residents always capture crystal clear video and audio of anyone requesting access. Let's take a quick look at the 8-inch video intercom. MSRP on this intercom is $3,995. For those that have completed our dealer program, dealer cost on this intercom is $2,995. Here's a look at our 12-inch video intercom. You'll find the MSRP and dealer pricing here as well, which is $4,495 and $3,495 respectively. Functionally, there's no difference between the 8-inch and the 12-inch intercoms, as they each contain all the same great features that ButterflyMX provides. The installation specs of each are also the same, which we'll take a look at in the next slide. Here's a diagram of our new video intercom I/O port. You'll find an RJ45 port for Ethernet connection, a connection for our 24 VDC power supply, and 4 dry contact relays that can be used to control up to 4 doors per intercom, just like our previous model. But there are some new features here too. You'll find a Wi-Fi protected setup button used for triggering a Wi-Fi internet connection. And coming soon, you'll be able to use our Wiegand outputs for connecting to third-party Wiegand systems and digital inputs that can be used for push-to-exit buttons and motion sensors. While these last 2 features are not available yet, we'll make an announcement when they are. Our partner program provides a deeper dive into the installation and technical specifications of our new intercom, so if you haven't joined yet, be sure to sign up to learn more. Next, we'll take a brief look at the installation, configuration, and support of the new video intercom. Our new video intercoms are suitable for indoor or outdoor use and are IP65 certified. And as I mentioned earlier, they can withstand temperatures between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are 2 different looks at our recessed and surface mounted options. Our surface mount is installed directly on a wall. The recessed version comes with the housing that can be installed within the wall to give the intercom a more flush installation. This is expected to be launched in Q4, and again, we'll make an announcement when it becomes available. Let's take a closer look at the surface intercom. Our surface mount option has been enhanced with an extension arm. This arm articulates outward during installation, allowing a single person to position the device. You no longer have to physically hold the unit to access the cabling, making the installation process much more convenient. The smaller mini mount is installed first, and the intercom backplate easily hooks to it, meaning you can securely screw the backplate into place without requiring an extra pair of hands to hold it. There's a secure I/O port cover to preserve the IP65 rating with captive screws, ensuring that they stay in place even when unscrewed, preventing loss or misplacement. We also provide a paper template of the intercom included in the box with perforated holes where the screws need to be installed. This facilitates accurate hole pre-drilling for the backplate, ensuring a seamless installation process. There are also different types of pedestals and mounting features available to ensure the right feel and look at any type of property. They include a hood, a low-profile gooseneck, a gooseneck, which is great for vehicle access, as well as a rectangular pedestal. Our team can work with you to determine the best type of pedestal for any particular project. For internet connectivity, our new video intercoms provide several options. Our preferred method is a hardwired Ethernet connection using either a Cat5e or a Cat6 cable. For the first time, we now offer Wi-Fi connectivity as well. And finally, the new video intercoms can also support point-to-point, cellular router, or two-wire converter connections. Reach out to our team who can assist in determining the best connectivity options at any property. The new video intercoms are managed through the same ButterflyMX OS as our previous model, which makes upgrading the system a breeze for existing ButterflyMX users and maintaining the same onboarding experience. Our support team will provide assistance in the programming and setup, reducing the time spent on site to get the system up and running. And now on to some FAQs. The first question we have is, can my clients upgrade to the new intercom? The answer is absolutely yes. A retrofit trim kit will be made available soon that allows for faster replacement with no wall patching. And with the wiring specification remaining the same as our previous model, upgrading can easily be streamlined. Also, do I need additional training on this product? We have launched additional training in our dealer portal, and it's available now. You can sign in to access the training, as well as new resources, like updated dealer pricing sheets and product one-pagers. For those not in our dealer program, you can visit the link here for more information.
All right, well, it looks like we are out of time, so thank you all for attending today's webinar. If you have any questions or would just like more information, feel free to give us a call or reach us at sales@butterflymx.com. And if you're ready to start receiving exclusive benefits and pricing, just visit us at butterflymx.com/dealer-program to join our dealer program. Again, thanks for joining and have a great day.